Round 8, chain 1. We want to make a 3 front post double crochet cluster around this triple we had. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. Now a cluster, a single crochet top of this triple crochet we had. We find it carefully, a single crochet, 3 chain, 1 2 3, a single crochet top of middle one, this double crochet, 3 chain, another cluster around this double crochet, front post cluster, 1 2 and 3 double crochet cluster, a single crochet top of this double crochet. We find it carefully, and a single crochet, 3 chain, another single crochet top of this picot. Behind of this picot we had a slip stitch. We make a single crochet here, 3 chain, and continue this pattern, 3 double crochet cluster, a single crochet top of this triple. We find this triple and make a single crochet, 3 chain, a single crochet top of this middle one, 3 chain, another cluster here, a single crochet top of this double crochet we had, and 3 chain, a single crochet behind of this picot into this slip stitch, 3 chain, and continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here to close this round. Last part of round 8, we make 3 chain, 3 front post double crochet cluster, 1 2 3 and a cluster, chain 1 top of this cluster we made, top of this triple crochet we had. We find it carefully, 3 chain, 1 2 3, a single crochet top of this double crochet, 3 chain, another cluster around this one, 1 2 3 and a cluster, a single crochet top of this double crochet we had in last round, 3 chain, a single crochet behind of this picot, 3 chain and slip stitch top of this single crochet we had here. Now round 8 is finished.